is Khushbu again. Today we are going to discuss about a very important topic, which is tax audit under section 44 AB under Income Tax Act. So the dictionary meaning of the word audit is to check, review or inspection. There are different kind of audit which needs to be conducted, such as company audit as per the Companies Act, cost audit as per the Cost Accounting Act, and tax audit as per the Income Tax Act 1961. So the tax audit needs to be conducted by a chartered accountant for a specified category of business or profession as per the section 44 AB of the Income Tax Act. So now the question is, who required to obtain a tax audit report? So any assessee who has income under head of profit and gains from the business and profession and their turnover or gross receipts for the particular financial year exceeds the threshold limit, they need to conduct this tax audit report as per the Income Tax Act provision and section which is 44 AB. So what is the turnover threshold limit for financial year 1920 for the businesses? So any assessee whose gross receipts or turnover is more than 1 crore in previous year, which is 2019-20, they have to conduct tax audit mandatorily. So this limit of 1 crore will be 5 crore in case your total receipts and total expenses are not more than 5% in cash of the total gross receipts and total payments. As we have already talked about the turnover limit for the businesses, now let's talk about the turnover limit for the professionals like chartered accountant, doctors and lawyers. So for them, this turnover limit is 50 lakhs. So if your turnover is more than 50 lakhs, then this tax audit will be applicable in your case. Although tax audit will not be applicable in case you have opted for section 44 AD for the businesses, section 44 ADA for the professionals and other sections like section 44 BB, section 44 AE and section 44 BBB. We have also another videos on section 44 AD and ADA. If you want to know more, you can check them out. Now, if the tax audit is applicable to you and if you have not conducted the same, the penalty for the same would be 0.5% of the total turnover or rupees 1.5 lakhs, whichever is lesser. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video was informative for you. So if you want to know more about it, you can get in touch with us. If you like the video, you can subscribe to our channel because we are coming up with lot more new videos. And this is Khushbu signing off for the day. Till then, take care. Goodbye.